Guys, before you hop on the gear, ask yourself this question. Have you tried all the natural supplements that are scientifically proven to work and maximised your natural potential first? There's loads of supplements that have been proven by science. The first one is creatine. If you're not taking creatine, whether you're a beginner or you're a professional, yours now.